I'm taking a dough. This is the wheat dough I have taken. Make lemon size balls. Spread some whole wheat flour on a flat surface. And flatten them. After flattening, spread a half teaspoon of ghee over it. Now spread some dried fenugreek and press it gently. Now make a fan as we fold it like this. And flatten it. Press it and flatten it. Just pull them apart. Once you're done flattening, start folding from the ends here. And the end, you can just tuck it underneath, like so. Now flatten this. Now spread some more ghee and some more fenugreek leaves on the top. And flatten it with the hands like this. You can also use a balun or a rolling pin. Now our tawa paratha or laccha paratha, methi laccha paratha is ready to be roasted. Now heat a pan. Add the laccha paratha over it and roast it on both the sides. Roast it on both the sides. Now spread some ghee. And make it crispy by roasting it. Delicious laccha paratha is now ready. You can see it is coming out separate like this, and it has become nice and crispy. Take it out in a serving dish and serve it with your favorite dal. Just there you go. It's become nice and crispy. Delicious laccha paratha, methi laccha paratha is now ready to be served with your favorite dal. Enjoy.